I'm gonna take you with me through a much needed hair mask. Make sure your hair is damp before we start. I will be using Hydrate Me Extreme by LeBang. I only use this on my scalp. Really try to use your fingertips when we're massaging our scalp. We don't want to scratch it and irritate it. One of my favorite things when doing a mask, it's this little brush. It helps with exfoliation and it helps with circulation on your scalp, which helps with hair growth. This brush feels amazing and it's affordable. I'll put the link below. You can also use it in the shower when you're shampooing or conditioning your hair. I will be using a Not Your Mother's matcha green tea and wild apple for a hair mask today. I'm going to put it throughout my hair. Alright guys, this alien cap has to be the best investment I've ever made. It makes such a difference to put heat on your hair while having a hair mask, and it connects to your blow dryer. And of course I will be doing a face mask while I wait for this to set in and process. So I decided to blow dry my hair and it's all done and set. If you guys enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, don't forget to like, comment, or show a sign of life. Have a wonderful day and thank you for watching.